What's up? Welcome back to another Puzzle Wonder video. Today we're gonna solve the pocket change set from Puzzled by Piker. This is a magnificent set of 3 small boxes. They are 3D printed, they are super cheap, and they are very different from each other. Now, the designer himself asked me not to show one of the puzzles, and I will be showing only 2 of them. The reason why I decided not to show the red one now is because actually I couldn't solve it on camera. It took me an hour and half an hour more and I still couldn't solve it. I still need to figure it out. So if you do want to try some of the puzzles by Puzzled by Piker, you can check the link in the video description. He makes a lot of 3D printed puzzles in very affordable prices. Let's seal the deal, and if I am able to solve, actually you already know that I will solve the 2 puzzles. Well, let's seal the deal anyway, and if I solve the yellow and orange boxes, then you have to subscribe to this video. Whoa, and something super important before we go on and solve the puzzles. I've opened a merch store, and you can now order Puzzle Gang beanies, Puzzle Gang shirts, and other cool stuff. What I see in this shop is just another step towards the dream of doing something I love and truly enjoy, thanks to you guys. And if you want to join the Puzzle Gang physically now, you can do it. So click the link in the description, take a look at the merch shop. If you have any notes or comments, let me know, I want to improve it. A lot more to come, and now we can solve the puzzles.
The goal is to free the coin. As you can see, here's the coin, and when I push this part, it looks like, oh wow, yeah, it looks like there's a maze here. It looked like that. Whoa, oh cool, I get it. So the coin travels somewhere here on the maze. Oh, should move it all the way now. Oh, nice. Looks like I'm close, but oh, there's a ball bearing. Now I see. So look what's the mechanism. There's a ball bearing that goes inside the slit here. It goes to the sides, and this is why I can move the puzzle. And what's cool about this is that there's also these pins that make it a bit more tricky to manipulate the puzzle. Seems like I'm kinda lost. I think I need to go all the way here, to be honest. So let's go all the way here. Wait, what? Oh, I need to get here, because what happens is that once I press it all the way inside, you see it goes a bit like this. Yeah, and it should go out from here, right? This part here looks locked. Yeah, I'll say I need to go there. Okay, so now I managed to pull it through here. But now it's all the way and it still doesn't work. I have an idea, maybe there's a hole that is deeper inside here somewhere. Then I need to drop the ball bearing inside that hole, and then drop it inside. Looks like there's a deeper hole inside the maze where the ball bearing can fall into. And I found the locking position. Nice. So, okay, let's go try it again. Such a cool mechanism, and this is also so cheap for the complexity of the print. If you take the price, I think it's like less than 20 bucks for a piece. Nice. I got it. I figured it out. Yellow one is complete. Let's go. Wow, such a pretty coin. Okay, let's put it back. And I think I was... okay. Oh, it's just the continuation of the path. Yeah, so there wasn't a trick in the end. Just I just had to go all the way in the path. Okay. And back to the beginning position. This one took me 7.5 minutes to do. Let's try the orange one. I'm starting now. Okay, so the goal here is the same. Here as well, I need to find a way to remove the coin. I can see that this part moves a bit. It seems like it's either moved by magnet. Oh, okay. Okay, it was held by a pin. One pin or two? Oh, 2 pins. So 1 pin. Okay, it was held by a pin here. And then when second pin, which should have been released, then I can probably use it to press the button. What happens now? Whoa, I pressed this and something just clicked. What if I press this? Cool. When I press this, then the coin here, oh, actually moved. Oh, so one thing I have to do is to press this part, and then the coin goes down, and then I can push it. Oh, I cannot push it down more. What can I do then? Let's do it again. Once I push it back, the slate here opens. So maybe the key. Oh yeah, that is a secret. Or is it not? Looks like there's a level between the two. So there's a springs platform here. Break a little bit. Feels like puzzle blocks, you know? Like, I actually feel like this is a puzzle box that I need to figure out. Oh. Maybe there's something I missed. Some kind of moving slider, for example. Whoa, what? The coin is missing suddenly. Okay. I guess now it's where it should be. Yeah. I think I can see it inside the slit. I don't understand how it just vanished from existence. Whoa, it worked! It's out! Okay, this took me 10 minutes. I'm not completely sure how it works. Let's try to put it back now. Oh, I see. Yeah, it's a spin move. It's a spin move, alright. So inside of this part, there's the pins that block the entrance. Okay. So, let's put it like this. Now it should be back. Whoa! No, it didn't work. And then I can finish things up. And bam! And it's back. Okay. Nice. So one step, put in here. Second step, spin move goes down. And the same spin move will make it go up. Super cool. Nice. Not easy. This one is not easy. This is very difficult. Also has this step. Cool. So we've got yellow, we've got orange. Now let's go with red.